Hare Krishna! Welcome to ISKCON of Parsippany's new temple site. Now you can see that the excavation is virtually complete and you can actually make out the whole footprint of the new temple building. Here where I'm standing is one of the wings, and in the center here is the main temple structure. In the far end here is going to be the kitchen, the commercial kitchen area, and just about in the center there on the second level will be the main temple room, the temple hall itself, and then the far side is the second wing. So you can make out now that the beautiful temple is just about to be started, the next phase being to fine level the property and start putting the concrete footings and rebars, and followed by the concrete platform that's going to make the foundation itself, followed by the actual steel work that's going to frame the building and make the whole construction go. So tremendous progress in the last little while. We're very happy to see this temple actually starting to manifest before our very eyes. Thank you for coming.